Most developers write 20 lines of loops to process arrays. You can do it in 5, without a single for statement. Declares a constant named products containing an array of 3 objects, each representing a product with ID price and category properties, specifically 2 books priced at $25 and $40 and 1 electronics item priced at $15. Filters the products array to retain only entries where category equals books, then maps the filtered results to extract their price values, resulting in an array of just the numeric prices for books. Sums the elements of book prices using reduce starting from 0, then divides that total by the count of elements to calculate the arithmetic mean before rounding. Tests whether at least one item in products has a price greater than 35 using the sum method, which returns true upon finding the first match. Verifies that every product in the array meets the condition of having a price less than or equal to 40 using the every method, ensuring complete compliance across the collection. Outputs an object containing book prices as is average price rounded to the nearest integer using math round anyExpensive and allAffordable values derived from earlier computations. You just replaced multiple loops with expressive, shinable methods that say exactly what they do. Subscribe for daily coding videos to master modern JavaScript.